Hello and welcome to this very quick video I'm making for a Patreon of mine, a Patreon called Sebastian. So Sebastian, this one is for you. Now he's been having trouble setting up a model, specifically with ailerons and setting up things like dual rates on the inputs and then having those dual rates presented on two different channels in the mixer. And that is an entirely normal way to do it and it should work. However, for him, the dual rates are not coming through. They do on one channel and not on the other. And it is something that catches a lot of new pilots out when they're setting up the radio. Let me explain what's going on. If I add another channel here, let's just put it on channel 6. When we go for the sources in EdgeTX, there is a massive list down here on the left hand side of all the different things. The top one, which looks like a little arrow with two crab claws sticking out of it, is the input. Those are the things that you have defined, and that is going to pick up the input that you have set up with the travel, the limits, the expo, all those things on it. The second symbol down, which looks like a knife stuck in a dartboard, is the actual sticks, the control itself, without all that stuff applied. And checking a video that he's just sent me, it's a common issue. One of the mixes that is set up is using the inputs. There's the inputs that are only selected. If I click on the sticks, it kind of looks like we've got the same stuff, but it's not the same. What we're picking there is the raw control without any of those things on it. If we go for the input, then that's going to pick up all of those modifications to the control, which is what the input screen is all about. Then we have things like the rotary controls, and then we have max, which is a special function which you can use in some of the more advanced setups. And then we have things like the trims, we can have the switches, and then we also have specific channels too. But this is your problem, Sebastian. Hopefully this helps. If you check your settings, you'll see that whereas you should have chosen this icon here, you've actually picked up the control without all those fab things you've done on it. I wouldn't worry about it. We've all done it. When you're trying to set up something complicated on a radio like this, where you have so many options presented to you, it's easy to pick the wrong one. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.